Guys, what do you think? Will we get the lights today? किसी की नजर लग गई. Our tour for today is cancelled. Yeah. हेलो. ऑनेस्टली ठंडी इतनी नहीं है क्योंकि एम्स्टर्डम में हमने ज़्यादा ठंडी एक्सपीरियंस की थी. बट द थिंग इज द विंड एंड द रेन इज मेकिंग इट लिटिल.
फिर हमने पकड़ी एक पब्लिक बस एंड वी रीच्ड आवर एयरबीएनबी. ऑनेस्टली दिस वाज सो सीनिक कि हमने यहाँ पे खड़े रह के बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर लिए. एंड अनलाइक इंडिया वी हैड टू ड्रैग आवर ओन लगेज, सो दैट वाज अ टास्क, अ कार्डियो इन इटसेल्फ. एंड द स्नो वाज so thick and deep that we were just figuring out how to enter our Airbnb with all that luggage.
So we've kept our bags here finally inside. Let me show you. बाहर कितना स्नो जमा था. माय गॉड, खुलता कैसे भाई. ये पूरा जमा था. ये सीढ़ियों पे हमने फावड़ा लेके क्लीन किया है. इट्स क्रेजी. This is our window. This is our hall. Cozy. This extends to be like a, double bed, so 2 people can sleep here. ये रूम है. छोटी सी क्यूट सी कोजी सी रूम. वो स्टोर है जोकर नाम का जहाँ से हमने अभी सब ग्रोसरीज ली. और ये है किचन where we are figuring out.
And then we headed to the nearest department store because we wanted to cook on our own. And we found these really cute puppies barking from their cozy window. Life is good for them. मार त्यांच्यावर
दगड घेतलं तू
कुल्लूवर.
स्नो पे चलना very difficult, that too uphill. My god. And we are skidding also.
And then all of us together made some cozy little meal. We figured out how the oven worked there, how the dishwasher worked, but the food turned out pretty good.
Stir fry veggies, chicken, pesto pasta, garlic bread.
फिर शुरू हुआ हमारा day 2, like a proper full day in Norway, and this day we had kept specially to see the fjords. This what you see is Tromso's city center.
This is the queue for, this is like the smallest bar in Tromso, and it serves hot mulled wine, hot chocolate, etc. Damn cute.
और भाई साहब जो व्यू स्टार्ट हुए, हमें ऑनेस्टली लगा हमारा पैसा यहाँ ही वसूल हो गया है. लाइक वी हैड सीन व्हाटएवर वी हैड टू सी.
We just got down at this stop, and we need to change our buses. The next bus will take us to Ersfjord. It's a fjord. I'm very excited. That's in about, I think, 5 minutes from now. We're here. This is that fjord that I was talking about. Fjords are when जो पहले आइस एज में ग्लेशियर्स थे वो मेल्ट होके अभी जो पानी बना है, और ये माउंटेन्स के बीच में पूरा पानी का आउटलेट है. Those are called fjords, and this region is known for stunning fjords, which makes really stunning landscape, and it's very unique to this region. Priya, you got us to this amazing place. How did you find it? Google Maps पे.
And while we were slipping on the ice, there was this Norwegian woman running with her dogs. पूरे एरिया में एक सुकून का एटमॉस्फेयर था एंड वी जस्ट सैट देयर लुकिंग एट द ग्लेशियर द वाटर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. वी हैड सम फन, देयर वर नॉट मैनी पीपल अराउंड एंड देन वी मेड आवर वे बैक टू आवर एयरबीएनबी. हमने कॉन्शियसली डिसाइड किया था दैट वी विल ओनली ईट होम कुक्ड मील्स बिकॉज नॉर्वेजियन फूड कैन गेट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव एट रेस्टोरेंट्स. फिर आया हमारा डे 3 विच वी स्टार्टेड विद सम हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट ऑफ पैनकेक्स, स्टर फ्राई वेजिटेबल्स एंड अ लिटिल बिट सैस. यस, दैट्स अ व्यू.
Hello.
भागने लगा तो यहाँ पे इतनी कमी है.
We are going for our Northern Lights chase tonight. What's the time? Must be 3ish.
3:30.
3:30 now. We're heading towards the city center. Our trip starts at 5:30 and it's a big bus, around 50 people maybe with us, and they'll take all of us to wherever the lights are. It could be in Norway, it could also be in Finland. They do cross the border, so the lady told us specifically to carry our passports in case we have to go to Finland to watch the lights. In total, I think it's about 8 hours, so we should be home by maybe 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. It's 4 degrees now and it feels like -2. That's because there's a little bit of wind. So basically all the fresh snow, when it gets warmer, it forms into ice, right? And this what you see is ice and it's quite slippery. So the government put these stones, also called as gravel, so it doesn't slip as much. Yeah, so thank you Norway government for the gravels. Peace out, homies. Peace. Guys, what do you think? Will we get the lights today?
Yes. We are really paying for the lights today because we've come all the way
ओ
for
मुझे
them.
लगा कोई हमारे पीछे.
Manifesting
Manifesting really good bright lights.
big bright lights.
Big
Even
bright.
if it's in Finland or Russia, we're fine.
Yeah, we are okay to go to Russia as well.
Just
See
drive
the
us.
lights. The lights are what's important.
बस दिखा दो.
They were very
How was
faint.
it?
Apparently, yesterday was a very good day for lights.
Okay.
Because it was less cloudy in Tromso.
So you saw it right out of our
We
Airbnb.
did. We came outside. There were clouds, but
We saw green, but Aishwarya saw red as well. That's what she says.
Whatever minutes someone saw, we saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, Milan Soman was here yesterday or
We were
day
under the
before.
same-
Sky looks a little clear today, so maybe.
We made our way to Tromso's port area where there were so many cute, stunning looking boats and ships. And guess what? This group of people were just dipping in the water like, wait, what? मुझे इनको देख के ठंडी लग रही थी. This is the famous church that you see on the other side of Tromso, and we just halted below this bridge because the sunset was so crazy.
वो ऐश्वर्या के बालों से दिख रहा होगा हवा कितनी. But this is too pretty. These candy color skies. अगर नदर्न लाइट्स नहीं दिखा तो मैं लोगों को बोलूँगी यही नदर्न लाइट्स. Better believe me. Guys, किसी की नजर लग गई. Our tour for today is cancelled.
actually, आज का
Because there's no meteor activity going on, so they've cancelled all their tours. और ये सब जो लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, सब ने बुक किया था, सब आके खड़े हैं. They are ready to give a full refund, but हमें लाइट्स देखना है, हमें अपने पैसे वापस नहीं चाहिए. So we made it to, we booked another tour जो थोड़ी ज़्यादा महंगी थी, but at least it's happening. So yeah, this is the tour.
This was a bus of 30 odd people and they literally took us to middle of nowhere.
हम उतर चुके हैं ये फर्स्ट कैंप साइट पे. It's quite cold. See, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's very cold, and we're just heading into one nice hut. If you can see here, अंदर मस्त आग जल रही है. So I hope to get even warmer, but even more than that, I wish to see the northern lights. Cheers. कैसा है रे?
मस्त है.
Brown cheese, butter, and cinnamon.
And then we got lucky to see some very light meteoric activity.
देखा देखा देखा.
And this was the app that we used to track all the activity. बहुत light सी activity थी, but हाँ मज़ा तो आया.
Hello. What you just saw last was us in a Mercedes taxi. Don't assume that we are rich. We are not. But एक tragedy हो गई सुबह सुबह हम लोग के साथ. हम actually काफी time पे थे ऐसा हमें लगा. But we started running late suddenly, and then we saw a bus go, and the next bus was at 12:56. And this trip that we are on to see the reindeers that starts at 1. So we had to just rush and find a Uber, find a local taxi, do it.
And we requested an Uber driver to please take us, but then he was kind enough to call his colleague because he himself was on a paid trip to I think pick up someone else. But yeah, so the other guy came in 2 minutes and that saved us.
This is the view.
On this day 4 of our trip, we made our way to the reindeer forest, which was called the Sami village. So Sami is these tribes of people who belong to this region of Norway.
So we reached here at our reindeer tour camp, and they're asking us to come inside. It's a very warm room, as you can see. Everyone's sitting, and there's a fireplace. Ready? Yes, we're ready today. I hope the reindeer doesn't attack me.
Yeah. I think I'm worried about the rains.
Okay, not attacking.
We are not supposed to scream at them.
Yeah. They gave us a
Be
disclaimer.
respectful.
उनको छेड़ो मत, चिल्लाओ मत. We are entering their home, so let's respect.
Trying to try a thermal suit right now.
इतनी ठंडी भी नहीं है, honestly it's 6 degrees.
Yeah, but she's just doing it for the vibe.
So I got changed into a thermal suit because why not? So you've been doing this since how long?
This tourist, I'm 2 weeks.
Oh,
But I'm born and raised in with the reindeer too.
oh, you're born
And
here.
the reindeer herding family.
Oh wow. हम ना स्कैम कर रहे हैं. ये बकेट में कुछ है नहीं. मैं आपको एक प्रोटोटाइप दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है? आशु दिखाएगी वो कैसे स्कैम कर रही है सब डियर्स को. ओ बनाया कुछ नहीं था. ये समझ चुका है अब तक कि मैं बना रही हूँ. हम आपको और दिखाएंगे, ठीक है? इसको बनाते हैं. लेना बोल रहा हट. Hi. So we've been chatting a lot about how she's an Arctic person and we're from the tropics and the differences. So I hope you come to India someday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I hope so.
We like to show you around. And we're loving Norway so far. Yeah.
Yeah, I will hope.
Yes. Thank you. So she was telling us that these are the Norwegian Alps, and when this is actually much warmer for them, like what the temperature is in April, that's what it is now this year. So they're feeling the effect of global warming. So yeah, this is as cold as it can get for us, but for them it's summer, almost summer. So yeah, they go here for skiing. And it's so beautiful, honestly, this landscape. We are in the Sami village. So these guys will do the Sami step.
Sami. Aja Sami. तुला नाही हट इला नाही.
Bread, butter. Happy kid.
So here is me experiencing a really unique thing, which was the reindeer meat. Yes, I tried it, and honestly, it was very similar to mutton. Then they showed us all these accessories that they had made from actual reindeer skin. It was pretty interesting to watch and know a lot about their culture and what keeps them warm in like minus 30 and minus 40 degrees. We made some new friends on the way, and then was the exciting part, our second Northern Lights chase.
So tonight we're gonna chase the clear sky, right? When stars burn, it will not stop so easy. So old houses, they are very careful.
हमारी रात शुरू हुई बहुत ही लाइट एक्टिविटी से एंड देन इट स्टार्टेड गेटिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड देन we finally saw the Northern Lights. We were just too excited because I mean not everyone gets to see it, right? Comment below if you want a detailed cost breakup of our Norway trip. I hope you loved this vlog. Please like, share and most importantly subscribe.